Hey gang, it's your buddy Platt here. Today I just want to do a real quick video reviewing something we made in the past. Back in around August 10th, according to my records, I made 1 gallon of orange mead from a kit I bought online. I did a video reviewing the kit. And I think at the time I said I wanted to shoot for sometime around the Super Bowl to give it a try. I'm about a month or so behind, but that's all right. I probably talked about it at the time. Mead is a slower process than beer. It's just going to take a longer time to fully ferment, to rest a little bit. It's different for beer in that way, and even a kit mead like this is different than a kit beer. And a lot of the kit beers I've done, a month to 6 weeks or so, they're generally ready to go, to have to drink. Mead, we could have had this after 2 months or so, but the taste wouldn't have been as good. Mead is honey wine, and if you think about a lot of wines, especially the commercial wines you buy, you're not drinking something that was just fermented 5 weeks ago or 6 weeks ago. Wine needs a little bit of resting. Certain wines, definitely more aging. Even like your white wines like Chardonnay, it could be a year or two. Same thing with this mead, so I wanted to give it more time. It's been about, 6-7 months. We're about at the 6-7 month point, so I thought it'd be ready. I'll probably leave another bottle or two in my kegerator just to see, probably another 6 months, or maybe at the year anniversary, see how it is. Mead will last a while. You don't have to worry about it going bad like you do beer. Beer, once you brew it, once it's ready to go, 30, 60 days, something like that. Bigger beers, like big double porters, stouts, stuff like that, barley wines can go for a year, but these meads can last a while. So enough of that. Let's give this mead a try. The mead came out, our original gravity was 1.112, final gravity 1.016, 12.6% alcohol by volume. That's what it came out. I did not carbonate this mead. I've had issues in the past. We will do a sparkling mead one of these days, though. All right, color-wise, boy, that looks like a nice Chardonnay, color-wise. All right, I definitely still get the honey. I'm not getting a lot of orange on the nose, but let's give it a taste. Oh, that's pleasant. Yeah, that's nice. It's got a nice, thick sweetness. But again, viscosity-wise, this is comparable to a hearty Chardonnay. It's not, taste-wise, it doesn't compare to the Chardonnay because, again, the honey's ever present, but body-wise, it's similar to a nice kind of buttery Chardonnay. Man, just a faint hint of the orange, not a lot there, but a nice clean mead, really is. It's really nice. I'm definitely going to be interested to see how this mellows out, in another 6 months or so, or to a year. But turned out a really nice mead, nice and clear. I think we have success. I will say this about the orange flavor. I remember the kit, the orange peels I got were in kind of rough condition. They'd been kind of grounded down through transportation or whatever. Maybe next time I would make just an orange peel without the kit and maybe just fresh peels. Maybe that would have added a little more oomph, or maybe I just would have supplemented it with just more orange peels myself. Still used the kit, but just maybe got an orange and cut some more peels. But like I said, just a good mead overall. Well, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe down below. Also, please like the video because it lets YouTube know we're putting out good content. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them in the comments section, or you can always contact me on the Twitter page. One real quick note, I will leave a link down below to the original video of us making the mead, and I'll also leave a link for the kit in case you want to get the kit. If you click on the link, it helps the station, and we appreciate that. Well, until next time, bottoms up.